Microsoft just dropped a bombshell, banning the Chinese AI app DeepSeek for its employees over propaganda and data risks. This move is shaking up the tech world, and you won't believe what's at stake. Stick around for the full story. What's up, Tech Squad? Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the biggest tech news. Today, we're diving into Microsoft's bold decision to ban DeepSeek and what it means for AI and global tech. Let's break it down. Microsoft's vice chairman, Brad Smith, told the US Senate that the company has banned DeepSeek, a Chinese AI app for all employees. Why? Two big reasons: propaganda risks and data security. Smith revealed DeepSeek stores user data on Chinese servers, which could be accessed under China's intelligence laws. That's a massive red flag for a company like Microsoft, especially amid rising US-China tensions. Oh, and DeepSeek? It's not even allowed in Microsoft's App Store anymore. For those wondering, DeepSeek is a Chinese AI platform with models like R1, which Microsoft briefly hosted on its Azure cloud after intense red teaming to strip out risky content. But now, Microsoft's cutting ties completely. This isn't just about one app, it's part of Microsoft's pivot to stricter AI governance, making sure their tech stays secure and free from foreign risks. Azure, which powers 30% of Microsoft's revenue, is being positioned as a safe haven for businesses worried about data exposure. This ban's a big deal for more than just Microsoft. It's part of a broader strategy shift. With Microsoft rethinking its cloud infrastructure, reports say they've canceled hundreds of megawatts in US data center leases to focus on locally compliant setups. This move screams resilience, but also comes with risks. Geopolitical friction could slow down infrastructure growth. Still, Microsoft's stock is up 15% this year, so investors seem confident in their long-term AI and cloud game plan. So what's the takeaway? Microsoft's doubling down on secure, homegrown AI and cloud solutions, which could set a precedent for other tech giants. But will this spark more bans on foreign apps? Or is it just Microsoft flexing its control? And what do you think? Is this about real security concerns or just geopolitical posturing? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear your take. That's the scoop on Microsoft's DeepSeek ban. If you're hooked on tech drama and updates, hit that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and tap the bell icon for more updates.